Hello, and thank you for tuning in. In this video, we are drilling an AMSEC ESL-5 swing bolt safe lock on a Blue Dot depository safe. Our first step is to establish our drill point. To do this, we use the MBA E-Lock drill point template kit. We look at the reference sheet and find our lock model and bolt type. This tells us which specific template to use. EDH6. And what part of the lock we'll be drilling, the slide. The drilling template is designed to align with the spindle hole, with the edge of the bolt facing the same direction as the lock. From our view on the outside of the safe, we know that our lock is positioned vertical down, with the flat edge of the bolt facing left. So we'll mount our template in this exact same position. With our template mounted, we mark our drill point, and we are ready to start drilling. We use the MBA Magna base and the strong arm mini rig. We place the MBA Magna base onto the safe, and when its drilling hole is aligned with our drill point, we flip the control switch to activate its magnet. After this, we secure the mini rig to the Magna base, and we're ready to begin.
So basically on this one I've got to go through the skin, through the door, and then I'll hit the hard plate, and you'll be able to really tell the difference once I hit the hard plate. It'll sound different. You won't have these big old giant chunks of shavings coming out. Yeah, so that usually means that you change the material from the soft stuff. That's a lot. Pretty sure we're all the way through. So I'll probably get a crunch here in a second. Yep, maybe not.
After about 15 minutes of drilling, we felt that we were getting close, so we removed the mini rig from the Magna base to take a look.
No, dude, that's the back of the lock.
Is it?
It's gotta be.
Let me see something.
Come on with it. Yeah. So that's what we were seeing. You know that slit? That was the tape on the back of here. Where this tape was right here, we had just barely gone through the tape. So it just took some jiggling around. Because usually what happens